And why don't you tell us a little bit about your experience?
Well, I've been coming to this Dr. Kohler's office as far as I can remember, and I just remember always coming to the second floor and getting to look out the window and getting your teeth cleaned. And I used to come with my mom and my dad, and now I'm old enough to drive here by myself. So it's been a great experience, and been taking care of my teeth very well.
In terms of how you feel about coming to the dentist, are you afraid? Do you have any apprehension at all?
No, I mean, it's very common for people to be a little bit withheld when they want to come to the dentist, but the faculty here is very, very nice. You get to know them, and it's not just a role they play. They generally care about you, and it's just another day, you know. It's no apprehension whatsoever.
How far away do you come in order to see Dr. Kohler?
Well, I live in Wheeling, so today it took a little bit longer, but probably about 25 minutes. 25 minutes would be to get here. It's worth the drive, though.
What sort of plans do you have for yourself in the future?
Well, I plan on going into entertainment design, so I'll be working with film, animation, or video game industry, and possibly art direction in the far future. But my plans are to move out to California and pursue art in general and use that as a career.
Now, what school? You mentioned that there was a prestigious.
Oh yeah, prestigious school is the name of it is Art Center College of Design in Pasadena, California, and actually just started my admission portfolio. So.
Well, Dr. Kohler and his staff have appreciated you all these years and wish you the best on that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Jory, you've been a patient of Dr. Kohler since you were 3 years old. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, I've been coming to Dr. Kohler's office for as long as I can remember. Actually, Dr. Kohler probably remembers it a little bit more than I have. But I do remember always coming up here and looking out the window on Wilmette Avenue, and it's been a while, but I've been coming here with my parents, and then with my brother, and then my sisters come, and I'm old enough to come here by myself now.
And in terms of the way you feel about your teeth, how would you describe that?
I'm very confident with my teeth. I smile all the time. I'm a very goofy guy, but that's due to the faculty and Dr. Kohler, you know, advising me on how to take care of my mouth properly.
And are you ever having any apprehension in terms of going to the dentist?
Absolutely not. There's no apprehension when I come to the dentist. The faculty doesn't play a role. They generally care about who you are, and it's just another day. There's no apprehension whatsoever.
Have you ever had pain when you've been in Dr. Kohler's office?
No pain whatsoever. Absolutely not.
So you'd recommend Dr. Kohler's office to all your friends, anybody that you really know that wants good oral health care?
Yeah, I would recommend this dentist office to all my friends. For anybody who's thinking about getting Dr. Kohler's office is the place to be.
How things went?
Well, I can honestly, truly say that there was absolutely no pain. I'm a little bit numb still, so if I mispronounce some of my words, but it was very fast. We have the new technology I was just learning about, the lasers that catch them really quick, and I'm in and out.
And what did you think about the microscope and how that was involved with the work?
Oh, I get to watch what was going on the big screen, and it was very interesting to see what was going on, and you learn something. You see how your teeth interact with the instruments. It's very cool.
And you can also see how small Dr. Kohler, how large the tooth is, and it makes it easier to make it so that it's smaller.
Exactly.
You know, in terms of the way the teeth come together now, are they comfortable?
Yeah, I had to bite down a couple of times on these strips to make sure, because Dr. Kohler wanted to make sure that everything was meeting up fine and comfortable for me, and putting my tongue around it feels really good.
Great, thank you. Jory, you've been a patient of Dr. Kohler's since you were 3 years old. You just had a few fillings done. Can you tell us a little bit about your experience?
Well, got numbed up, and everything was very fast, and I can honestly say that there truly was absolutely zero pain involved.
And how did they find where the cavities were?
Well, Dr. Kohler has technology where you use a laser and it finds the cavity in its very early stages, and therefore it's a smaller hole to fix and a smaller filling, and it makes everything way faster.
And how is he able to make the filling so small?
We use his tools, and we have a microscope, and I could see everything that's going on, and just uses the tools effectively.
Would you recommend Dr. Kohler to any of your friends?
Yeah, I mean, I was actually thinking about it during the operation, which friends I could recommend and which friends I think are looking around or have been to the dentist, so the word's going out.